Building a wheel accessory. Removing the parts until we reach the exact same length. Making everything smoother so the wheel doesn't get ripped. This machine ensures a smooth cut in the first try. Sanding off the edges so there's no dangerous corner. Drilling on the added part we just created. Making sure everything is perfectly tied together to avoid accidents. Let's add the first layer of color. After it's dried, let's avoid the rough texture by sanding it. A stunning black shade is sprayed right on the accessory, securing it on top of the wheel. Your motorcycle just got upgraded. Can't say that it didn't add a luxurious vibe to the vehicle.